I wish you for some quativities in the Yama Bibia Aquaba. A better send it and the first time about channel as well. But then so best subscribe it. Or like in our share video, no so a day. Am I and I say co and then answer no as well. Update in Saka HS Johnson as you doing Katia and then to make a court Sanka court a man of quine. Nanka the statement be our fairly educoye regarding on Professor Ajimendia, former Auditor General. Case a ɛwɔ court no ka court ma no kwan na nka wɔnyɛ amendment bi ɛwɔ saa statement no ɛno ɛna court ɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ɔmo bɛ grant no saa request but ɔmo grant no kwa ɔmo de cost bi ɛbɛka ho fi sɛ o delay ɔmo time papaapa ɛyɛ bɛbɛ sɛ ɛbɛkɔ na yɛkɔtie ɛsɛm no ɛnkyerɛ mu ankasa sɛdeɛ ɛsɛm no ɛsi tie ndɛ ama Johnson Asiedu Nkatia ho ayɛ ɛmmɔbɔ paa ɛwɔ court a abusua ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa. And then the book at the Abana, any figure crocra. Yanko na yankoti yaba, the Omibia, yet the better.
Nichemo Accra Court and Equato Quasatra. Nina, the defamation case between former Auditor General Professor Edward Ajimendia and General Mosquito Johnson Asiedu Nkatia, National Chairman of the National Democratic Congress. Then the court to the Abo Asiedu Nkatia say pine and Yasam Ketua. Oko se okwa kosiki se yama no kwan na ono ankasa ne witness statement bi a wa file no yama no kwan na onko yi bi mfiri mu emfa bi nkanka bi wo hu se asam no eni ya yenyan eno na judge ni a wote adwa mu Justice Audrey Kovasi Tay se obe grant General Mosquito the wish but on granting the wish ne sa akwa because o delay the time of the court we was impose a cost the ato General Mosquito so say ade na we na eye oversight na wo so nyabotre ehwem ansa na submit na eye case benya ye nika monwura case ni mu afa ye wi a the substantive issue and court no etie mesan ye do bawurum say de be ya wo benya a fair idea of enkomo a me ne wo edi na nwumre ni nyina na say Professor Edward Ajimendia e de kodan Accra High Court somewhere in 2018-2019 said Johnson Asiedu Nkatia aye publication bi ewo Neat FM e de etia no a enokura ba kokura ni nyina ya tro publications ben ya one according to the court Accra High Court ya ne no mo kenkan reliefs no sa dia kire yewura Johnson Asiedu Nkatia bio Professor Ajimendia kire mu a Asiedu Nkatia kotra Neat FM koka say ono Professor Edward Ajimendia ye bane no by the Institute of Chartered Accountant for producing fake audited account for a non-existent company. Yeah, according to Professor Duajiman, Bibia sensi ti sa semwa Johnson Asiedu Nkatia ekojina Neat FM kan no 1 eye slanderous, 2 eye scandalous, 3 eye defamatory. And it was made without any reasonable evidence or probable cause. 2. Professor Edward Ajimendia Chirima, it was the same Neat FM. Johnson Asiedu Nkatia Saka, El Magana for United said, or no Professor Ajimendia, a concord to fake audit report concerning some senior officers, yeah, a leading to or more dismissal from public service. And also according to Professor Ajimendia, and you know, create the Biarada. And also bill Johnson Asiedu Nkatia failed to provide evidence for that statement. Hence, that statement in Johnson Asiedu Nkatia you know, a slanderous, a defamatory, a statement made without any reasonable evidence or probable cause. 3. Professor Ajimendia Sanchirimu said Johnson Asiedu Nkatia on that same Neat FM esa kama Ghana for United say or no Professor Ajimendia ye na didi free audit service ya na reason no dishonesty ya no so krata ya provided from audit service dia beda court nya ba bie ni hono mu na kire say Professor Ajimendia ye na di na momu no ono ankasa na resign ebra ya appointed no as the Auditor General. And so the statement was made with slander, with defamation, and without any reasonable evidence, just or probable cause. enti court kenkan we nyina wiye no ena lawyer Tony Nyako ya oye counsel for General Mosquito ye Johnson said ketia a move motion say opese or amend the earlier processes ya omo file court. Now I am quoting the lawyer. I will say, my lady, we have an application for leave to amend pre-trial checklist, which was filed on the 13th of February 2025 and is fixed for hearing today, February the 19th, 2025. Just and now court to hearing no, and a lawyer Tony Nyako ya representing General Mosquito and the betum so person or amend the pre-trial checklist. We move in terms of the motion paper and the supporting affidavit together with the attached exhibit General Mosquito's counsel submitted, while relying on all depositions contained in their affidavit in support, said on October 29th last year. We filed a notice of subpoena in respect of Brian Anku Sapati. At the last court sitting, our attention was drawn to the fact that we inadvertently excluded Brian Anku Sapati from our pre-trial checklist, even though he is a necessary witness in this matter, counsel submitted. In the light of that, he said, we filed the present application for leave to amend the pre-trial checklist pursuant to Order 16, Rule 7 of CI 47, which is in respect of amendment of other documents as the present one. We submit that the amendment is done in good faith and necessary to enable the applicant, Johnson Asiedun Ketia, put the entirety of his case before this court and bring same in line with the requirements of the rule of court in respect of case management conference, Mr. Tony Nyako stated. In his view, the application will not cause any surprise to the plaintiff or respondent, Professor Dia Ajimai, since there is a notice of the subpoena already on record. In the circumstances, we pray this court to grant us leave to amend the pre-trial checklist in terms of Exhibit J1, counsel for the NDC chairman prayed. Brian Nana Benyin Akon, counsel who was holding brief for Garini Makomafo said, we have nothing to say, adding that we leave it with the determination of the court. And a ruling by Her Ladyship Justice Audrey Covey Tay also say, after listening to the parties, I have granted the request for leave and awarded a